me, let's have something bang on me. Look at this off.
So bring somebody to dinner.
Yes, tell them, babe. We want to meet. Yes, we need some more family members.
If you've been eating with
us
by yourself,
old family.
You've been eating with us by yourself. Bring your mom and your daddy.
Yes.
If you don't talk to your mom and your daddy, bring your cousin and your auntie. If you don't like them either, bring your children. If you ain't got no children, I think you got some uncles. Them either?
Cousins,
what about them siblings?
Sisters, brothers, best friends.
What about that friend?
Friends.
What about that co-worker that you think your friend?
How many of us have them? Friends.
Ooh. Ones we can depend on. Friends.
Okay.
We gonna see y'all.
Bye, fam.
What up, fam? And welcome back to our channel. I'm Dale.
And I'm Jazz.
Before we get into anything, fam,
make sure you subscribe.
And hit that bell to be notified.
Every time there's a video.
Because that bell ain't ringing and your phone be singing. So if you don't see the parentheses on the outside of that bell, that means you won't be notified when we drop goodies like these.
Uh-huh.
Now, let's get
tell y'all what we got.
Yeah.
Got another seafood boil, scallops, mussels, clams, shrimp, king crab, and no potatoes today. We got broccoli and corn and some mushrooms down in the cut, and we got some Alfredo sauce, y'all. We've seen Steph and Tasha eat this. We saw Q toe it up. Yes, we was like, we definitely gotta taste it. She said it was so good.
And she said she saw views on the road, so we is gonna try this.
Yes, now I'm not huge on Alfredo. I don't really like white sauce, but it's seafood, so I figure
pretty good though.
Why not? First, hold on, y'all. There we go. Get them out your face. How y'all doing? What y'all eating on? I missed y'all. Your girl been down for the count. Y'all saw my funny mishap with these eyebrows. They're coming back together. Have a bite.
Why did I do this? Let's start.
That's pretty good. Oh snap, baby. Ooh, now y'all know broccoli is the bomb.
With some good cheese sauce.
With some Alfredo.
And fam, Alfredo is usually smooth, but I put some chopped onion in
it. It tastes good. So man, give me one of these mushrooms down here. Oh, I almost
saved it.
We got a lot of new family members.
Welcome, fam.
How y'all doing? Thanks for giving us a chance. Man, that mushroom good. Now, I don't think we've seen anybody eat mussels and clams or anything with the Alfredo sauce.
But if
just
we did,
mostly shrimp.
If you did, and we miss you, please.
So the Smoke Boss, when they did their seafood boil, they had
the Alfredo pasta.
Yeah, they had the Alfredo pasta with the mussels in there. That looked good. I want to try that too.
We're gonna say smoke just to be on the safe side, cause they were close.
Man, it's pretty good. Let me try some corn up in there.
Boy.
That was pretty good.
Man, I should have cooked that okra.
We had some what is it called? Asparagus.
Mm-hmm.
That was really good.
Ooh. It said I want to be soaked in Alfredo sauce.
You were taking a bath, baby. But there we go. This is pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
Very different from the butter sauce. Man. Never think to put Alfredo sauce on some corn.
So good you don't even want to wipe off your jaw.
Get one of these scallops.
I need to get it dropped.
Ooh. Know the scallops gonna be good. Oh, and I got some broccoli on there.
We should not have done this. Cause we enjoy vegetables, and vegetables are really good with Alfredo.
Oh my goodness.
Just like perfect for the style of eating that we want to do.
Your girl been sick. Too much, other than my eyebrows, too much butter. Too much grease. I can't eat a lot of greasy food. So the butter sauces,
We might be leaving them in 2018 sparingly. How about fam?
What's that, a scallop? Yes, right.
Ooh, boy.
Bam.
Boy.
This was too good. I'm saying was like it's done.
We should have cooked both packs of mushrooms.
I'm gonna use clam in here. I know they fell down in here.
So what you guys been up to, fam? How have you been?
If you haven't seen us comment under your videos, we have been watching on the TV.
While we're editing.
Heavy. Yes.
So
Come back.
we are so very sorry. And to those who have outstanding comments, we promise we have not forgot about you. It's just one computer was in the shop. Jazz got sick.
Gotta get into the king crab. Yes. I've been sick, so I've really been watching on the TV.
So probably not dust.
Oh, babe, we forgot the scissors. It's okay.
We did, but I got you today. Right here.
For sure. Dang, you don't look like nothing in
You
there.
just continue to eat. Because you pulled it down this way.
Look at Mr. Fancy here. Dang, I put the toe meat out there.
How am I fancy?
Just shook it on out of there. Man.
Well, you had to crack the backside.
Let me tell y'all, I'm about to just go ahead and de-shell all this
King crab so you can get the dip.
Yep. I'm trying to see if I'm able. I might have to bite it one more time.
Views on the road. You wrong for this.
I'm trying to see who else we saw.
Dave.
about it.
That I've physically seen, yeah. I know I haven't seen anybody outside of those. Shoot, I'm glad we found the views on the road.
Yes.
Because she's sweet.
She was. I'm supposed to be de-shelling the crab.
You going in?
Eating it. Because it was only a little piece.
That's usually how it tends to be.
Somebody asked in the comments why I was using my fingers to eat my food instead of like a fork. Instead of a fork or whatever.
Oh, your
This
nails.
is finger food.
People kill me with crazy comments like that. Like, you can't use your nails, but the person asking can use their fingers if they were in the same position. What kind of sense that make, fam?
Like my nails are just extended fingers. That was good.
Some people.
Why you worried about it?
Man, it was something that we were talking about earlier, and I said we should talk about that today. I totally forgot.
Oh man, me too. Man, now I wish I could remember.
Me too.
We wasn't talking about ideas, were we? Oh no.
I'm not sure. We talk about so much stuff. So,
Speaking of ideas, I didn't want to touch on that. I know a lot of people that watch us are content creators. And I know that I gotta get one of these broccolis.
yeah.
And I know that the MUKBANG community, MUKBANG cooking, all that, we small. We all pretty much like a family. We know each other. But I also know that that it's bigger people out there watching us smaller people
Trying to bite their waves.
doing the same things we're doing.
But they ain't saying nothing about nobody. Like it's some big secret. That's unfair.
We're all really doing the same thing at the end of the day. And just like we said, we saw Q eating this. And we saw Steph and Tasha eating this.
We ain't the first one.
No.
The only thing that's probably gonna differ is the way we made our Alfredo sauce and the way they made theirs.
In the size that we're eating, you know.
They may not like mustard like we like them.
Or scallops or anything.
Ain't nothing wrong with saying somebody's name if they inspire you enough for you to want to do it. Think about it, if you were in their shoes and it happened to you, how that make you feel? Courtesy. Because remember, things in life can be temporary. And nothing is guaranteed to last forever. So yeah, she might be bigger than that person whom you're trying to bite off of. But that's not gonna always be true. Because sometimes stuff like that just depends on, well, it's because you're married to the table first.
We're all watching each other at the end of the day.
Yep.
All of us making each other hungry. All of us are giving each other ideas like, hey.
I ain't never know that they did that. remember, you were in their shoes, and you can be in their shoes at any given moment.
That's just so crazy to me. Supporting each other, big or small, is not hard.
No. Doing the right thing ain't hard.
Yes.
People find a way to always screw that up.
And it really just makes you want to stay to yourself and not even fool with anybody because
you never, and it's sad because it hurts. When that kind of stuff happens to you, like, oh, I see.
You're one of those type people.
So I just want you to keep that same energy.
Everybody want to say they came up with an idea first.
Right.
Everybody want to be so original. It's okay to be original and give other people their credit.
At the same, don't get me started.
Because the original part is, yeah, I did it and you did it, but we both did it our way, the way we liked.
Because what I like ain't gonna always be what you like. I love black lip muscles.
We love these muscles.
Some people may have green lip muscles.
Some people might not have muscles at all.
Some people might have cukes. Mama did,
Yeah. We love those cukes.
They probably would have cukes instead of broccoli. I love them. They're good people.
They are.
Excuse me.
Real sweet.
Hey, Joni.
We just, y'all already know.
We get tired, boss.
And we've been through a lot, and we've seen and learned a lot.
On YouTube and in the real world.
We've been pooped on a lot. Some people, and Q was talking about this in the video the other day too. We've been watching some people, you know, that are bigger than us, commenting and everything. And you can tell that they've been watching. Yes, that they've been watching us too, or they've come by, or anything like that. Have we heard them talk about us? I dropped mine.
Nope.
I dropped my clean. Here you go.
It ain't even about having somebody talk about it, because we ain't really concerned with that. But at the same time, if you stopping by and whatever we doing moves you enough to do what we doing, don't you think that deserves a mention?
Excuse me.
Just saying. They were too good, okay?
Excuse me. I have not been eating, so this is like my first real meal. Other than oatmeal.
That was a snack.
And saltine crackers. Excuse me. Man. If you do videos, you can let us know that you do videos so that we can watch you. Because we do support other people, but do not
spam our comment section.
Talking about subscribe to me.
You would get blocked from the channel. Because that's rude.
Yes, because we don't mind.
That's not proper etiquette.
And it's probably gonna, you saying subscribe anyway, it's gonna send you right to the spam in the first place.
Don't be talking about no hugging. I hugged you, hug me back. We know what that means too.
You really want the people that come to your channel and subscribe and join your family or whatever to actually like and watch your content. Yes, so it doesn't matter how many times you say come subscribe to me. If people don't like it,
they're not gonna sub to you.
Or they're gonna sub and, excuse me, and never come back.
Be a dead sub. And you definitely don't want dead subscribers. That's not what you need to have.
And that's what people be forgetting. Yeah, you might got the subscribers.
But what they doing though?
Well, it is.
Who want 10K subscribers but only getting 100 lifetime hours? That don't make sense.
I'm like, what?
Them numbers don't add up.
Ooh. I'm getting full, fam. I was in too bad.
I'm de-shelling the clams. So
I see you. We got to switcheroo it for y'all. Coming soon. Stay tuned.
Very, very soon.
If you are new, we like to say it's positive over here. As we can, you know?
We ain't about that drama and that nonsense and negativity. It's enough of that in our city.
Yes. Which a lot of y'all gave well wishes, you know, for the
romantic.
That we got going on, and we appreciate that.
Because boy, do we need it.
And that's been crazy. We haven't really been anywhere.
City. It ain't safe. It ain't safe.
Yeah, I'm not saying that we, you know, disowning or not with it or anything, but we're parents. I mean, we have kids to live for.
We ain't got time for that.
Again.
I mean, look at what happened to the hero. Talking about too good.
This is so good, and I'm too full. I need some. I don't even like pasta. I need some noodles. I guess I haven't had Alfredo sauce that was good enough.
Cause you into this one.
Whew. Bae did not do a video making this sauce, so if you want to see it, let us know in the comments.
Too good, man.
But y'all have been showing out
with the comments.
And we appreciate that. That let us know that you know, watching the video. I appreciate everybody, excuse me, laughing and well wishes for me and my hips. Look.
Y'all can see.
Y'all, that was so crazy. I'm coming back together. Then my eyebrows may look a little red.
It's okay, baby.
Because they healing, but I ain't on here looking like Hitch. What you say I look like, the Goonies?
I think the fam would appreciate. I think the fam are more happy to see you on Flock than on Hitch.
Y'all, that was so crazy. You really have to be careful about the stuff that you put on your face and on your into your skin and stuff.
For real.
Get out.
I'm just saying. From the video,
I used to think, yes, I used to think about stuff like that, but I guess I wasn't caring enough. I'm like, I'm just gonna do this because it was easy. Sometimes the easy road ain't the best road.
Most of the time.
Oh, fam, I'm struggling to eat just one little piece. I'm full. That was really good. Thanks, babe.
What I did?
You made the sauce.
Oh.
And technically, it's like our little late anniversary dinner.
I was about to say like an anniversary.
Oh, we love you, babe.
I'll kiss you later. Excuse me.
Cause you still chilling?
No. Cause I ain't trying to get flagged today.
Cause your eyes fan. They don't flag DK forever kissing.
Are you in that creative studio?
I'm pretty sure if they was getting flagged for kissing, they would have stopped.
But are you in that creative studio though, babe?
You can't get flagged for pics. Now we probably was, babe. We done seen. Let me know in the comments if you ever seen some of those chapstick challenges.
But babe, just ask me that one question.
It don't matter if I'm in that creative studio or not. If somebody getting flagged, they're gonna stop making them type of videos.
You would think that.
Man, that was good.
I'm about to say thanks to y'all who eat seafood with Alfredo sauce. Cause I never would in a million years have done it myself.
Not as a, you know.
But I can honestly say, having it in my homemade Alfredo sauce.
That was good.
I would have had regrets that I didn't know I had. I would have foodie regrets. Didn't even know I had them.
Oh, excuse me. That was so good. And I am so full and so tired. I have not been getting good sleep because I've been sick.
But you're not feeling like...
Yeah, extremely stuff. Let me tell y'all, are gonna see a lot more seafood boils because they are just leaner. They make us feel good.
We still gonna have other content coming too.
Yeah, we are, but we've pretty much been on YouTube like a whole year, and we just now are starting to do seafood boils. We had took a break on seafood, but this is cool, and you guys like it. Other people like it. So, and as y'all know, we live in Bay, Birmingham. Yes, so it's not a lot of exposure here. So for us, seafood boils are exposure. When y'all see seafood boils, think about this a promo. We are promoting Fritz family, so share this video. Give it a thumbs up, you know.
Because that's what that's for, fam. Growing the fam.
Yes.
But however, we're not gonna compromise who we are for that. So you still gonna see the cooking videos, you still gonna see the boys, you still gonna see the vlogs.
Yes.
Just
you gonna
something
see it
else
all
to add
over
into
here.
the rotation.
Seafood boils.
Because it helps us.
And it make you feel good on the inside. You don't get real full. It's a little quick meal.
Right.
I like them.
Man, and then some Alfredo. Boy, look at how much sauce we got left.
Yeah, that was good.
Yeah, we got some in the boiler.
Man, that was good.
The saucepan, the boiler.
Oh my goodness, we finna go, y'all. I'm stuffed and tired. We hope you guys enjoyed.
And sadly, we've come to that point in the video where
we must let y'all go.
So
until next
video, fam. Love you guys.
Love you guys. We love y'all like a whole lot, like a lot.
We ain't playing. When we say it, we mean it. So don't think we're joking. Okay?
Yes.
So we gonna see y'all. Can't say same time, but we're gonna see y'all same place. Tomorrow.
Next time, bring a friend. Share, because
sharing is caring, fam.
Yes.
So bring somebody to dinner.
Yes, tell them, babe. We want to meet. Yes, we need some more family members.
If you've been eating with
us
by yourself,
old family.
You've been eating with us by yourself. Bring your mom and your daddy.
Yes.
If you don't talk to your mom and your daddy, bring your cousin and your auntie. If you don't like them either, bring your children. If you ain't got no children, I think you got some uncles. Them either?
Cousins,
what about them siblings?
Sisters, brothers, best friends.
What about that friend?
Friends.
What about that co-worker that you think your friend?
How many of us have them?
Friends. Ooh. Ones we can depend on. Friends.
Okay.
We gonna see y'all.
Bye, fam.